Welcome to the Million Jackpot channel. This is where you get a lot of winning strategies about the Euromillions lottery, including other lottery systems that we can find in the United Kingdom. So this is the last results of the Euromillions lottery. It is single to 11, 28, 42, and 48, the 11th of July, the year 2023. If you like our videos, this channel, subscribe to the channel, click the bell symbol so that anytime a new video is being uploaded on the channel, YouTube will send you a notification. Like our videos as well and share the videos. Inform your friends, your family members to also join the channel. So this is the last results. So based on this last result, we want to find out some set of numbers that are likely to draw for today. So let's see. We're going to results number 253. So results number 253. It was on the 12th of December, the year 2008, Friday results. So you can see we have single 2, we have 28, we have what? 42. All right. So 2, 28, 42. When you check the current results, 2, 28, 42. The three numbers are on the results. So therefore, after the numbers draw for results 253, the next results produce 28, 29, 40, 46, and 50. So we need to select those numbers. So we have the number, let me see, what is it? 28, we have 28, 29, 28, 29, all right. Then we also have 40, 46, and 50. So we have 40, 46, and 50. All right. Let's go to the next one, which is draw number 564. Draw number 564. So results number 564. 564. So draw number 564, it was on the February 15th, the year 2013, Friday results. It dropped the same three numbers, 2, 28, and 42. So let's write the below numbers. So the below numbers we have 12, 15, 28 again, 30, and the number 44. So 12, 15, 28. So we write 12, we write 15, we have 28. Then we also have the number 30 and 44. So we have 30 and 44. All right, there's 30. So let's go to the next, which is draw number 1253. 1253. 1253. 1253. So this is draw number 1253. So we have single 2, 48, 44, 40, 42, 48. So 2, 42, 48. Okay, check the current results. 2, 42, 48. All right. So let me see. So therefore, we need to pick the below numbers under 2, 42, and 48. So we have 24, 37, 41, 43, and 46. Let's select this number. 24, 37, 41. So 24, 37, 41. You also need the number, which is 43, 46. So 43 and 46. All right. The next is draw number 1333. Results number 1333. 1333. It was on the June 30th of the year 2020. Tuesday results. So we have the number 11 28 42. 11 28 42. So current results 11 28 42. The three numbers are there. So therefore, we need to select the numbers 4, 16, 27, 37, 49, 39, right? So 4, 16, 27, 37, and 39. So 4, 16, 27, 37, 39. All right. So now, so this is the record that I was able to gather for the areas which have dropped three numbers. Now let's find out the entire likely numbers for this particular set of numbers, the hot numbers for today. Now remember that we have single two and we have the number 28 and hot 42. 2, 28, 42. It happened to for this particular one. Okay, it happened to for this particular one. And at the end, they all provide a banker, which is what? 28 as a repeated number. So today, 28 is most likely to repeat. So let's say, let's do our cancellations. We have 28. We bring all the repeated numbers. So the hot for today, hot pick. So the today's hot pick, okay, may be dropped from the number 28. All right. Then also let me see 29, only one, 41, 46. We have also 46, 46. So you will add 46 to the record for hot pick. And we also have 50. Then we have 12, only one, 15, only one, 30, only one, 44, only one, 24, 37. 37, we have one here, we have one there. All right, so let's add 37 to the hot pick. Then we have the number 30, 1, 30, 1, okay, 24, 41, 1, 43, okay, 1, 1. All right, so this is the hot pick for today. All right, and the likely numbers, we write all the numbers. So likely numbers. The likely numbers will include the hot numbers, which include the number 28, 46, 37. Okay, then also the numbers that we did not mark from the list, or the numbers that we didn't mark from the list, you also include in the list. So 29, 40, 50. So 29, 40, 50. Then it will include 12, 15, 30, 44. So 12, 15, 30, 44. Then also we have the number 24, 41, 24, 41. We also have the number 43, single 4. So we have 43, single 4. Again, we have 16, 27, 39. So 16, 27, 39. I hope I've written all the numbers that we couldn't mark, all right? Did not get it repeated. So this is the set of numbers. Now, so let me see. We have 1, 2, 3. So today, hot pick three numbers. Hot numbers, they are three. All right, there are three numbers. There are three set of numbers. So the likely numbers for today 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So they are 17 set of numbers. So you can group them, use them any way that you want it to see if you will get winning for today Euromillions lottery system. All right. So this is the entire set of numbers that we have for today Euromillions lottery system. So this is my form 66 for today. And as I told you in my earlier video, my first video, I told that if you want to win the Euromillions system, a jackpot, which means that 5 numbers out of the 50 numbers, all right, then also 2 numbers from the star numbers, you need to get the form 66. So this form 66 will give you the permutation of the 12 star numbers. So when you perm the 12 numbers, you get 66. lines, 66 lines. So here it ends at 21. So also it starts from here, then up to the number 66. So to win the Euro Million jackpot, every resource Tuesday or Friday, you need to buy 66 tickets that will help you to target the jackpot ticket. All right. So you need to buy 66 tickets before you can win a jackpot easily. All right. So when you get the numbers, then you can use it for all the form numbers or the star numbers. So assuming that today it dropped 1, 2 as a star number, it will definitely be within the link. All right. So any star number that will drop, since it is the pairing here that we have for the form 66, definitely today you'll get a winning from the star numbers, and it's left with only 5 numbers to select from the 56, so from the 50 numbers and fill the form. So today, let me see, our hot numbers, we selected 28, 46, and 37. So here, I will fill 28, 28, then I also fill 46, 46, and 37. All right, 37. So I have my three numbers. So the same numbers, I'll add the same numbers for all the forms. So when you get the forms, you have to fill it with the zero numbers, 37, then you fill 28, you have 46, you have 37. The same set. So we fill it, then you fill it up to this level. All right, you fill it up to this area. So we have a 28, 37, and 46. The same set, all right? So you fill all the 66 lines, the same three numbers. Then after that, you need two numbers in addition to fill here. The same two numbers, so you can research on your own to get your own two numbers and use it to fill this particular sections, all right? Sections. So you fill all the form. If you want to get a copy of this form, I have it on Telegram. So my Telegram group is millions, millions jackpot winners. Millions jackpot winners. So set this name, million jackpot winners on Telegram. The group will come, you join for free, and you have the form just at the base, the last message, almost the last message. You see the form there, a file which is there. You click on it, it will open, then you can download and print it. You print as many as you want. You can print it in black ink, then you can use it anytime that you want to use it. All right. So this is how you do it after getting it. So once these three numbers, if you are lucky and all these three numbers drop, it means that it will connect with what? Two star numbers. Definitely one of them will connect two. All right, and maybe one of them here, assuming that it drops single one for today for star number, it means that all these areas that we have 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, you'll be getting what? A ticket winning from there. All right. If you drop star number two, it means that you get a ticket from here. You get a ticket from 1 2 3 4 5. All this area where we have 2 2 2 2 2. You still get a ticket from here. And that is the most important of using the form 66 design by me. So let's see, let's assume that, okay, let me see, our next number today is likely to drop ending zero number. So let me see, okay, let's pick these two, assuming that we want to use these two numbers, 40 and 50. So you can add 40, you add 50 to the list. So 40, you add 50, 40, 50, 40, 50, 40, 50. All right. So these same five numbers, you have to fill the same five numbers from form number 1 up to form number 21. Continue by filling the same five numbers, right? From form 22, so 28, so 46, 37, let me see, 37, the same star number. Then we have 40 and 50, the same five numbers. So you have to fill it, the same five numbers. So if you are lucky, the system drop, let's say four numbers, three numbers, then you are making a lot of money from here. All right. So you fill it up to 45, then you come and continue. You fill the same numbers. So you fill 28, you fill 46, you fill 37, you fill 29, you fill 40, and let me see, and 50. Let me check what 28, 46. No, this is 40, 50. So one of them is 40 and 50, not 29. All right, our set. So the same five, you still have to fill in the form the same way. You have 50, you have 40, you fill. So you'll be filling it up to the last one. So 40 and 50, you add the same five numbers. All right. So if you are lucky, your system, the system, which is Euromillion Resource, is able to drop three of these numbers. It will connect with one of the star numbers, two of them to get two direct star, because already when you use the form 66, your star number, you've already get a winning from the star number. It's left with the five numbers. So Euro Million Lottery, the problem here is not the star number to win a jackpot. The problem here is not the star number. Once you buy 66 ticket, that means that you will be able to win the jackpot. You are likely to get a winning jackpot, all right? But the problem here is the five numbers to select from the 50 numbers. That is the problem, all right? So that's why I'm taking my time. With time, you go through some steps to get a banker to get two numbers to get or a short permutation number that we can also use to fill the form as well. So this is the form 66. You can join Euro Million Jackpot winners on Telegram, and you download it for free. So today, I want you to use these numbers your own way. Your own way, you can use these numbers. Use these numbers to fill the form 66 to get a winning from there. All right. So this is a prediction that I have for you. Thank you. Have a good day. I wish you very good luck in the Euro Million Lottery. Bye.